Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So do not mind my appearance. As I always tell you guys, I got my Ofra mystery box. Now my friend Nicole here on YouTube, Nicole Davis, she had told me that Ofra was having a mystery box. And I decided to go ahead and pick it up because I don't have a ton of Ofra products. All I have is what was in my, whatever I received, like in my Ipsy and stuff like that. Or even, I don't remember if BoxyCharm, if I really get a whole lot. But she had mentioned it to me and I thought, I'm going to give it a try. I remember when I first started my channel and when I first started watching YouTube, Ofra was like one of those brands that everyone talked about and would not stop talking about. I don't hear about it a whole lot, not as much as I did when I first came on YouTube or even started watching YouTube, which has been like over 10 years, but maybe more than 10 years, honestly. But yeah, so I just thought, why not? Let's just see what it is. If I don't like it, I can always gift it in friend mail or even birthday mail. Either way, it's not wasted money because it's products that I would purchase anyways. So the box is really cute. It has like makeup products, as you can see. It is probably a BoxyCharm size box. So we're just gonna dive in. I didn't want to wait. It does look like this when you open it. I didn't want to wait because I was super excited, and sometimes I do take a hot minute to even open a box, but this time I said, no, we're not going to do that. We're just going to open it and see what we got. So thank you, Nicole, for sharing this information with me so that I was able to get this. It is finally wrapped really nicely. Okay, it looks like there's a little card in here. It's just introducing a new collection, which is called the Lotus Collection. And it says it's available 2/18/22 on Ofra's website right there. It's obviously available now because we're in March. It has finishing powders, a palette, and a highlighter. I will say when I was looking on their website, their stuff is pretty pricey in my own opinion. I feel like it's up there with the higher end brands. Definitely not e.l.f. or ColourPop cosmetics prices, definitely more up there. So yeah, I just kind of was like, wow. So anyways, those are the products there that are available. So we're just going to set that there. And I'm just going to pull out. So the first thing that I received is a hand sanitizer. This is a 3 fluid ounce and it looks like that. I'll try to get the prices to each individual thing. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it. But obviously, you can always have hand sanitizer. That's always great. To put in a mystery box, I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah. Okay, so there's that. This is a blush. It looks like a mini blush. It's not the full size because this is full size. This is a mini. This is the Ofra Blush in Chameleon, and this is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it in case I have it because, like I said, I do have a few Ofra products that I got in Ipsy, and so I don't want to swatch it just in case. I'm going to pass that on. From what I'm seeing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 6 products in here, and I'll put the price of the box. I can't recall at the moment. But I will put the price of the box, what the value is supposed to be, and all of that. Just looking at the stuff, I'm kind of disappointed I got this, if I'm being 100% honest. Now this I know that I do have, and I just ruined the packaging that it came in. That's okay. This is the Ofra Highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I do believe I have this already. This is a full size. It's very, very pretty. I'll check in just a moment if I have both of these products. Very, very pretty, but most likely passing that. Maybe I'll just gift this whole box to somebody for their birthday coming up, a friend or something. That's why I was kind of hesitant because I do have a few items that I really like that I got from Ipsy, but I don't like Ofra enough to purchase their stuff, if that makes sense. I just got really excited and I should have waited, but it's okay. I'm not going to be upset about it. The next thing is this long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Canyon. The packaging looks like that. Again, as I stated in the beginning of the video, their stuff is pretty pricey in my opinion. Definitely nowhere near ColourPop prices. Now this I will not wear. It's going to be too dark for me. The thing I see in here is Cleanse It Off. These are 15 pack of facial wipes. These are nice to get in a box for sure. The last thing that's in this box is a signature palette. This is in Signature Palette Exquisite Eyes. And the packaging looks like that. Yeah, maybe I'll just do a giveaway with this whole box. And there is that. And that is what it looks like. It kind of resembles some of the other palettes that I have, like my Natasha Denona and all of that. There's that. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway with this box. I'm just going to do the whole box a giveaway. So, let me put everything back. Again, I got the eyeshadow palette, hand sanitizer, this liquid lipstick in Canyon. I got this Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, which I'm pretty sure I have already. Got the facial makeup wipes. And then this mini blush and chameleon right there. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm a little disappointed, but it is what it is when you get a mystery box. This is what usually happens. I'll tell you, this is the first mystery box that I have gotten ever that I am just not wanting to keep anything and not very happy with it. You know, like I said, it is what it is. It happens, and you win some, you lose some. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway. I'm going to give the whole box. I'm just going to close it back up, and I'm going to retape it, and then I'm going to draw a name. So, of course, you need to make sure that you're subscribed, like this video. Let's see, leave me a comment letting me know what you're most excited for this spring. I think spring is literally around the corner. It's been really pretty here and very warm, actually. Today I went out and it was about 80 degrees. I was burning up. I know that's not hot, but it is when you go from 30 to 20 something degrees to 80 degrees. So leave, I'll put the emoji here on the screen so that you know. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3 emojis, but it has to have that in the comments in order for it to be when I put it in the random picker. So again, I'm going to give this box away. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it seemed a little negative, but I always want to be 100% honest with you guys. And I got excited when I first got it and saw it here and excited to film it, but opening it, I wasn't very excited. And so that's why I just want to give back to you guys and just bless somebody with this, because I think they may enjoy it more than I would. And again, I will put all the information for this down below if it is still available. I will put how much I paid for it. I know I had to pay shipping because I didn't order enough product. I think it was like $7 and something, which was kind of ridiculous as well, in my opinion. But I'm able to bless someone else, and that makes me happy. So definitely don't forget to leave that information down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. A very blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.